Hello student, my name is Shinde Savita. I am your chemistry teacher. The chemistry of 11th for 100 marks. Out of 100 marks, theory for 70 marks and practical for 30 marks. Total 16 chapters. 16 chapters from the chemistry, that is types of chemistry, general chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्याला पूर्ण बुक मध्ये 4 टाइप्स ची केमिस्ट्री लर्न करायची आहे. त्यापैकी जनरल केमिस्ट्री मीन्स ओव्हरऑल, फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री मीन्स फिजिकल properties, laws, chemical combinations, chemical equilibria. Then organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means the study of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen containing compounds. And fourth chemistry is inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry means study of metals, study of periodic table, from which metals, metallurgy, extraction of metal from ore and their properties. हे 4 टाइप केमिस्ट्रीचे. त्यापैकी आपल्याला जनरल केमिस्ट्री मीन्स द सम बेसिक कन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, मीन्स बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ह्या ज्या आहे केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये त्या फर्स्ट आपण शिकणार. त्यानंतर ऑर्गॅनिक, इनऑर्गॅनिक आणि फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री. तर टोटल आपल्याला केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये 16 चॅप्टर्स आहे. 16 चॅप्टर आहे. त्यापैकी फर्स्ट जो चॅप्टर आहे सम बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. चॅप्टर फर्स्ट सम बेसिक कन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. मार्क्स 3 and with option marks 5. The introduction of some basic concepts of chemistry is the matter. Matter means pure substance and mixtures. Means all matter consists of 3 phases. Which are 3 phases? First is solid, liquid and gaseous. From these phases, here only pure substance and mixture. Means या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपल्याला मॅटर चे 2 टाइप पडतात. फर्स्ट इज प्युअर सबस्टन्स and second is mixture. Pure substance means completely pure, does not contain any impurity, and mixture means 2 or more elements, the mixture of 2 or more content called as mixture. The matter is classified into 2 types. First is pure substance. Pure substance having sharp melting point, sharp boiling point, means definite properties. And second one is mixture. Mixture means it is not pure, means not only one. It is the mixture of 2 or more elements called as mixture. And it does not have definite melting and boiling point. That is, the mixture is again classified into 2 types. First is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. First is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means the word contains homo. Homo means same. Means the mixture throughout only one layer. The mixture having throughout only one layer means all particles are completely dissolved. This mixture is called as homogeneous mixture. And heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture means the mixture does not completely dissolve. For example, silica in the water. Silica, when silica is added to the water, means this silica ते dissolve होणार नाही, means two layers. These two layers mixture called as heterogeneous mixture. Here homogeneous mixture is completely dissolved throughout only one layer, and heterogeneous mixture, the mixture having the constituent particle does not dissolve in the solvent, means two or more layer. Homogeneous mixture, again one example of heterogeneous mixture is mixture of oil and water. Mixture of oil and water does not mix together. It forms a two layer. Oil at the surface of water, and at down there is down layer is the water, means does not homogeneous. That is, this mixture is called as heterogeneous mixture. Again here pure substance. Pure substance means having only one substance, does not any mixture, means element or compounds. Here pure substance again classified into two types. First is element and second is compounds. Elements, all in the periodic table all are elements, means only single. There is not dissociation again. This is called as element, means very smallest particle. For example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen are the elements. And compounds. Compounds are made by elements. Here element like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. And compounds. Compounds means the mixture, the combination, fixed combination of elements. For example, H2O. Here ratio is 2s to 1. Hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Means composition of elements. Means compound मध्ये जे काही एलिमेंट्स असतील त्यांच्या फिक्स रेशोने तो कॉम्बिनेशन झालेला असेल, मीन्स H2O CO2 रेशो इज 1:2. मीन्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कॉल्ड एज compounds. After dissociation, it convert into elements. Means compounds can be dissociated or can be decomposed into simpler atoms. Element does not dissociate or decomposes into the simpler atom because of elements are already very smallest particle. Then again, elements are classified into three types. Three types, that is metal, non-metal and metalloids. Metals means in periodic table, yes log, all are the metals. Alkali metal and alkaline earth metal. Also D and F blocks having transition metals. These are the metals. Non-metal. Non-metals means other than metal. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygens are the non-metals. Here sodium, potassium, barium, iron, aluminium are the metals. And metalloids. Metalloids means the substance having properties between metals and non-metals. For example, silicon, germanium, arsenic are the metalloids. Metalloids are also called as semiconductor. सगळ्यांना एलिमेंट्स चे थ्री टाइप्स आहे, सगळ्यांना माहितीच आहे, मेटल, नॉन मेटल and metalloids. Metals means having property good electrical conductivity. Non-metal means are the bad conductor of electricity, does not carry the electric current. And metalloids. Metalloids means the conductivity is less than metal and greater than non-metal. Non-metal are completely bad conductor of electricity, means does not carry the any current. For example, plastic, rubber are the non-metal, and plastic, rubber does not carry the electric current. Metalloids. Metalloids means medium conductivity between the metal and non-metals. For example, silicon, germanium and arsenic all are the classification of matters. Means in environment there is matter, and matter again classified into two types. First is pure substance, means only pure, does not any mixture. It contains only one substances. It has fixed and definite melting and boiling point, characterized points. Also mixture. Mixture means combination of many substances. That is mixture. Mixture is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means only one layer. The solution having only one layer means complete solute is dissolved in the solvent. Means salt, NaCl when added to the water, NaCl completely dissolved in the water. That's why the solution of NaCl is the homogeneous solution or homogeneous mixture. Here heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means the solute does not completely dissolve in the solvent. For example, oil in water. When oil is added to the water, the oil does not dissolve in the water. It forms a two layer. One first layer of oil and last layer of water. Means this is heterogeneous mixture. These are the basic points, basic concepts of the chemistry. Means matter, pure substance, means general chemistry. General chemistry consists of matter. Then the next point of this chapter, again basic point of the chemistry, is nature of chemistry. Nature of chemistry means types of chemistry. केमिस्ट्रीचा यूज कोणत्या कोणत्या फील्ड मध्ये होणार, त्याचबरोबर कुठले टाइप्स असतील. ओव्हरऑल डिटेल स्टडी इज द नेचर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री आपल्याला 100 मार्क्स साठी असणार. त्यापैकी थेरी जे आहे ते 70 मार्क्स आणि प्रॅक्टिकल आहे ते 30 मार्क्स. तर 70 मार्क्स मध्ये एमसीक्यूज येतील, त्याचबरोबर शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन, लॉंग आन्सर क्वेश्चन. मीन्स एमसीक्यू 1 मार्क्स साठी, त्यानंतर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जे आहे ते 2 मार्क्स साठी असतील आणि लॉंग क्वेश्चन जे आहे ते 3 मार्क्स साठी असतील. असे टोटल थेरी साठी 70 मार्क्स असतील आणि प्रॅक्टिकल साठी 30 मार्क्स. मीन्स टोटल 100 मार्क्स. फ्रॉम these 100 passing for 35 marks. मग त्यापैकी तुम्ही थेरी आणि प्रॅक्टिकल दोघांपैकी आपल्याला 35 मार्क्स असतील तर पासिंग असेल. आणि त्याचबरोबर प्रत्येक सब्जेक्टला आपला जो ग्रुप आहे PCMB 50 मार्क्स असतील. तर तुम्ही पुढे एबल असू शकता इंजिनिअरिंग फार्मसी साठी. मीन्स ग्रुप हा 50 मार्क्सचा असायला पाहिजे. केमिस्ट्री, मॅथ, बायो अँड फिजिक्स. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, नेचर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. नेचर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री means includes uses, field of chemistry. Here chemistry is the classified into again their branches, and these branches are of first is organic chemistry, 5 branches. Chemistry again classified into 5 branches. 5 branches. First is physical chemistry. Second, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Then analytical chemistry. type of chemistry. Here again I repeat, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry contains physical properties of all matter, their laws, chemical combinations, their reversible, irreversible reactions. Means law, rules, numericals, formulas are in the physical chemistry. Then organic. Organic chemistry involves carbon, hydrogen, oxygen containing compounds and their study, their reactions. For example, alkane, alkene, alkyne, benzene, aromatic compounds and their reactions, nomenclatures are in the organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is study of the metals, metallurgy, extraction of ore, extraction of metal. For example, iron, separation of iron from its ore. Then analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry means study and analysis of any compounds. Means analysis of analysis of mixture of compounds in the analytical chemistry. And biochemistry. Biochemistry means all living organisms consist of biological reaction. For example, respiration, photosynthesis, then digestion, all are the biochemical reactions. Means all living organisms having use of chemistry, that is biochemistry. These are the nature of chemistry, means types of chemistry, from which here 4 types already: general, physical, organic and inorganic. Then it is the study of atoms, molecule, fundamental concept related to the electron, energy and dynamic theories. Means physical. Physical chemistry is laws, rules, then study of atoms, molecules, fundamental concepts related to the electron, their energies, their dynamics, means heat is evolved or heat is absorbed. Then next point of this chapter is pure substance versus mixture. Pure substance and pure substance and mixtures. हा जो पॉइंट आहे तो आपण मॅटरचे जे टाइप घेतले त्यामध्ये ऑलरेडी बघितलास. प्युअर सबस्टन्स मीन्स ओनली वन सबस्टन्स does not contain any other element, called as pure substance. For example, pure silver, gold, pure water, then pure NaCl. कुठला पण सबस्टन्स असेल तो प्युअर फॉर्म मध्ये, म्हणजे त्याची डेफिनाइट अशा प्रॉपर्टीज असतील, त्याचबरोबर डेफिनाइट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट असेल, त्या प्रॉपर्टीज मध्ये चेंज होणार नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वॉटरचा जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आहे तो असेल 100 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. 100 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. पण जेव्हा वॉटरचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 103 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आला, याचा अर्थ तो वॉटर इम्प्युअर आहे. म्हणजे 100 जर आला तर आपण सांगू शकतो हा वॉटर आहे. मीन्स डेफिनाइट मेल्टिंग अँड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. मीन्स प्युअर सबस्टन्स जो असेल त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज डेफिनाइट असतील, फिक्स असतील, तर चेंज होणार नाही. त्याचबरोबर त्याचा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंटही डेफिनाइट असेल. मीन्स pure substance have definite chemical composition. Pure substance have definite chemical composition means composition means घटक. For example, CaCO3 calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, pure calcium carbonate. The calcium, the ratio is 1:2, 1:3. Calcium 1, carbon 1, oxygen 3. Fixed ratio. Also fixed composition means percentage. Here percentage of calcium, carbon and oxygen is fixed in pure substance of calcium carbonate. जेव्हा pure substance calcium carbonate असेल त्याचा जो melting point असेल तो फिक्स असणार. तो मध्ये other substance mix झाला means impurity. Therefore the pure substance having fixed composition, fixed ratio, definite melting point, definite boiling point, then definite properties means definite chemical composition and definite properties. For example, pure metals, distilled water. Pure metals, sodium, calcium, potassium, then silver, gold are the pure substances. Also pure water means distilled water. Distilled water having boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. This is the pure substance. Only one, does not contain any other element or any other mixture. And mixture means two or more elements mixed together to form a mixture. And mixture having does not any definite property means it does not has definite melting point, boiling point, chemical composition, chemical ratio. They can be changes with changing element. means mixture मध्ये आपण जे काही कंटेंट ऍड करत गेलं की त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल पेंट मिक्सचर, एक्झाम्पल ऑफ मिक्सचर इज पेंट. पेंट इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑइल, pigments and additives. Means various types of oils are added to this mixture, additives and also coloring pigments. Different types of color pigment. This mixture is called as paint, and paint having does not fix melting and boiling point. Means does not having definite properties. Simple आहे म्हणजे प्युअर सबस्टन्स जो असेल त्याच्या डेफिनेट प्रॉपर्टीज असतील आणि मिक्सचर जो असेल त्याच्या डेफिनेट प्रॉपर्टी नसणार. देन प्युअर सबस्टन्स अगेन क्लासिफाइड इनटू एलिमेंट्स. ऑलरेडी क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये मी तुम्हाला टाइप्स सांगितले. प्युअर सबस्टन्स जो आहे तो त्याचे दोन टाइप्स मिळतात. फर्स्ट प्युअर सबस्टन्स. Pure substance, elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. Elements means only one, does not dissociate or does not decomposes. For example, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine. These elements cannot be dissociated or when dissolved in the water. Means very small particle cannot be further divided. म्हणजे त्याचं परत डिव्हिजन होऊ शकत नाही कारण त्याचं लास्ट असेल हायड्रोजन, व्हेरी सिम्पलर असेल. याच्या पलीकडे याचं डिव्हिजन होणार नाही. तो असेल एलिमेंट. कंपाउंड कॅन बी डिसोसिएटेड, कॅन बी डिकम्पोजेस. फॉर एक्झाम्पल H2O. H2O consists of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Means dissociation can be takes place of compound. Means element are pure substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by ordinary chemical changes. म्हणजे हायड्रोजन, कार्बन हे जे एलिमेंट आहे त्याच्यावरती आपण कुठलीही रिएक्शन केली तरी सुद्धा त्याचं परत डिव्हिजन होणार नाही किंवा ब्रेक होणार नाही. त्याचं कंपाऊंड H2O याला परत आपण डिवाइड करू शकतो कारण त्याच्यामध्ये कॉम्बिनेशन आहे एलिमेंटचं. याला आपण डिव्हिजन करून त्याचं कन्वर्जन एलिमेंट्स मध्ये करू शकतो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कंपाउंड. कंपाउंड्स अगेन क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 टाइप. फर्स्ट इज मेटल, सेकंड नॉन मेटल and third is metalloids. Metals means all metals. Metals having luster. Properties of metal. Metals having luster. Luster means shining appearance, means shining color. Luster. Also it is good conductor of heat and electricity. ही प्रॉपर्टी सगळ्यांना याच्या प्रॉपर्टी जवळपास माहितीच आहे. मेटल हा गुड कंडक्टर असतो हीट आणि इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा. डक्टिलिटी मीन्स डक्टाईल मीन्स मेक इनटू वायर म्हणजे मेटल पासून आपण वायर तार बनवू शकतो त्या प्रॉपर्टीला काय म्हणणार डक्टाईल. ऑल्सो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल लाईक मेलेबिलिटी मेलेबिलिटी मीन्स बाय हॅमर इट कॅन बी कन्वर्ट इनटू थिन शीट्स म्हणजे आपण मेटलला हॅमर करून हातोड्याने त्याचं कन्वर्जन थिन शीट्स मध्ये पत्र्यामध्ये बनवू शकतो ज्वेलरी बनवू शकतो त्या प्रॉपर्टीला म्हणणार मेलेबिलिटी. म्हणजे मेटल हॅविंग लस्टर डक्टाईल मीन्स डक्टिलिटी मेलेबिलिटी अँड हॅविंग greater conductivity for heat and electricity. Examples all metals. Then non-metal means other than metal. For example, hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen are the non-metals. For example, non-metals having opposite property to the metal does not lustrous means does not having shiny color, shiny nature. No luster. Also, non-metal is pure conductor, does not pure conductor means bad conductor of electricity. Non-metal is the bad conductor of electricity, and it cannot be hammered into sheets and drawn into wire. Means it does not having malleability and ductility property. म्हणजे non-metal पासून आपण thin sheets किंवा wire बनवू शकत नाही. Means does not shows malleable and ductile properties. And also example nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Metalloids means the conductivity, the electrical and heat conductivity between the metal and non-metal. म्हणजे मेटलॉइडची कंडक्टिव्हिटी मेटल पेक्षा कमी आणि नॉन मेटल पेक्षा जास्त म्हणजे मीडियम कंडक्टिव्हिटी. ऑल्सो they are called as metalloids semiconductors means metalloid also called as semiconductor. Example arsenic, germanium, silicon are the metalloids. And compound, definition of compounds. Compound are the pure substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by organic chemical reaction. Compounds also cannot be broken down into the simpler substances by organic chemical changes, ordinary chemical changes. It can be broken into simpler by chemical heat temperature process chemical reaction, but does not broken by ordinary chemical reaction, does not broken by ordinary chemical reaction or chemical change. The mixture contains two or more substances called as homogeneous. Again, pure substance classified, matter classified into mixture, and mixture having two types. First is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous. Homogeneous means the mixture are having only one layer or throughout uniform. For example, NaCl when dissolved in water, this is water, NaCl dissolved in water, throughout it gets dissolved. It forms throughout only one layer, uniform layer, is completely dissolved, called as homogeneous mixture, and does not completely dissolve, called as heterogeneous mixture. Here silica is added to the water, means वाळू पाण्यामध्ये टाकल्यानंतर डिझॉल्व होणार नाही, ते एक्झाम्पल असेल हेटेरोजेनियस. ऑइल इन वॉटरमध्ये टाकल्यानंतर कंप्लीट डिझॉल्व होणार नाही, दोन लेयर्स दिसतील, ते असेल हेटेरोजेनियस मिक्सचर. मीन्स डज नॉट युनिफॉर्म लेयर थ्रू आउट, म्हणजे कंप्लीट सोल्युशन युनिफॉर्म लेयर तुम्हाला मिळणार नाही, तो असेल हेटेरोजेनियस. एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी मी सांगितले, NaCl सोल्युशन अँड ऑइल मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑइल अँड water.